Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on ChatGPT. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the ChatGPT application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the Continue with Google as well as the Sign Up button. Go ahead and tap on either one of these options. After proceeding with either one of these methods, you will be asked to fill up your name as well as choose your purpose for using ChatGPT. You may also type in your email address and tap on the Continue button. From here, you can click on the Sign Up button and enter your email address once again. Then click on Continue and then type in your desired password. Then tap on Continue once again. And now you will be logged into your newly created ChatGPT account right away, and you will immediately be able to start using its services. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.